So the another vulnerability we are going to see in this lecture is Telnet. So let's just go to our nmap scan which we have done for our metasploitable, and if you can see here on the port 23 there is a Telnet vulnerability and the version it's running is Linux Telnet TD. So now instead of doing Google of this vulnerability like Linux Telnet TD exploit, we can just simply search on our own terminal using search exploit. So we'll just type search exploit and then we will paste the selection, and as you can see we have two exploits here, and both of these doesn't seem to be very interesting, or you can say useful. These two doesn't seem to be useful as okay, so as it's saying Fedora 31 and the second one isn't showing us the version of Telnet TD as well, so it is not very useful. So we note that Telnet is something that is connected to login password, so we will just type Telnet and then the IP address of our metasploitable, and let's see if we can get access to our metasploitable or not. And as you can see, as we have entered the command, we have a banner metasploitable 2 here, and it is asking for metasploitable login. And when we go to our metasploitable, we can see we have the same machine here as well. So as we remember, we have the login credentials, that is MSF admin, and it is already being shown on the banner as well. So if we type, as you can see, we are now in the same metasploitable machine that we are using here. But now the catch here is we don't have the root privileges. So if we type who am I, it says MSF admin, and also if we type pwd, it is home/MSF admin. And to gain root privileges, it is very simple and easy. You just have to bypass it, and to bypass it you have to just type sudo su and you have to type just the password. And as you can see, if we type now who am I, it says we are in the root. That means we have our root privileges and we can do anything here, whatever we want to do, and we have gained the access of a vulnerable machine. And you must be wondering that if we can get such easy vulnerabilities in real world, so you are in delusion, because these things never happen in your real world unless some careless person openly discloses the information about your organization or about their system. So till now we have covered 3 different vulnerabilities. First was VSFTPD, then we discovered bind shell vulnerability, and now Telnet. We will explore more advanced and tough vulnerabilities in upcoming lectures.